What's up? How are you doing wherever you are? This is Gepac, your boy from Gepac Trading Academy, and today we want to talk about something very, very important. Today we are starting our market analysis episode, and this is going to be our episode one. What do we mean? What are the pairs we long to trade? Today is 4th of January, so from Monday to Friday, what are the pairs we are looking forward to trade? And we would like you if you can trade it along with us. We're going to do the analysis, what we see in the market. I've taught you support and resistance, and I've taught you the break of structure. So we're going to combine these things with candlestick pattern to see what we can do in this coming week. So now here are the pairs. I've checked out about 5 or 6 pairs that I'm interested in trading in the coming week. So I will explain my analysis, the reason why I want to trade them, and what are things I saw and what are things I'm expecting about the market. So let's get to it. But now I'm not going to be talking about the forex market alone. I'm going to be talking about both forex market and crypto market. So Bitcoin and the likes. Don't worry, we're going to analyze few of them and see where you can take in your opportunity. Of course, you know crypto market runs every day. It doesn't run 5 days a week. It runs every day. So let's get started. But before then, remember to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to our channel because we'll be bringing more of signals, more valid signals, valuable signals for you to make profit. Or we're going to make profit this year in our trading. So let's get started. Okay, now first of all, we're starting with Euro card. Euro card. So what are we seeing about Euro card? First of all, on 4 hours, remember I told you draw your support and resistance on 4 hours. We can see a few resistance at the top here. That's not what concerns us. We don't bother about that. I think what concerns us majorly is this. From this resistance, let's create another. Let's look for our support zone. Yeah. You can see market touch it, respected it, touch it here, respected it, touch it here, respected it, and then touch it here again, respected. So we want to trade within this zone. If market aligns with our zone here, so we're going to trade within this zone. So first of all, we can see that there is a resistance here. You can see its market touched it. Here there is a resistance here. If you view it from the back, you can see the resistance is the resistance serve as support here, then blah 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 to the back, and you can see that this is a very strong point, area of interest for most traders. So what do you want to see here? First of all, what I want to see here is I want to see a rejection. Probably I love to see rejection of engulfing pattern, something like this. I love it so much. I love engulfing pattern. So I would like to see a rejection of engulfing pattern. And definitely having known that this is a downtrend for me, can you see the market was going up, the structure was broken, double top was created. You can see from here, market was uptrend, right? Let me draw it for you. Market was here, it was uptrend and it came back to do a pullback and then created higher high, came back to do a higher low, but created equal high, couldn't go further, then created a lower low, which signifies what? A downtrend. Then at the resistance here, which is the neckline of the double top, we are hoping to see something great and then we enter the market. It doesn't necessarily that the market should happen at this resistance. It can go up and take out liquidity. So we are very patient to see what market it can go up and will not give us any pattern and can come back again and then from here give us any pattern. But once it does that and come back into this zone of our area of interest, which is between the resistance here and the support here, we are ready to take the action. So what are things I'm looking forward to see before I take my action? Number one, I'm looking forward to see our candlestick pattern, which is what? Our engulfing pattern, hammer man, inverted hammer man, and the like. So those are things I'm waiting forward to see. I'm waiting forward to see piercing pattern. But I love most of the time I love the engulfing pattern and then the angry man, hammer man pattern. So those are things I love to see. Okay, let's continue. So here is our area of interest. This zone is our area of interest. Area of interest. So we need to mark it out. Area of interest for us. This one market is already at our area of interest, so we just have to watch it closely next week and see if there is an opportunity to trade it. That doesn't mean the market will respect it all, but once it breaks it and it comes back and couldn't break below it, that means we know this place is invalid. So we are very patient to see what the market will do. Let's proceed further. Let's go to NZDCHF. So what are we hoping for NZDCHF? NZDCHF has already given us something beautiful. So I'm just waiting for my entry on 1 hour. What do I mean? Like I told you how to use your 1 hour to enter trade. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, now we saw that the market was like this. The market was going like this. That was that was a downtrend like this on NZD CHF, Switzerland's francs. Okay, so Can you see now? This is on 4 hours, and there was a break of structure here. The market gave us higher high, higher low on the support here, then gave us higher high, then came back to give us higher low, then couldn't go above it. This resistance took hold, and then couldn't go above it and gave us a double what? A double top. Can you see now? Equal highs. So we know that we are already on a downtrend. So what do we do? Then we were watching this one closely. I just took note of it this day today. We're watching it closely, and as we got it closely, we saw an engulfing pattern. See how massive the engulfing pattern is. We saw it. So when I saw the engulfing pattern, I knew okay, I can't just enter like this. Okay, let me go on 1 hour and see what has happened so far. On 1 hour, and I saw that there was a break of structure. Double top, a break of structure took place on 1 hour. I want to draw it for you so that you can see it. A break of structure, that means break of structure means that high or low is being taken out. That is, there was a change in trend. That's a break of structure. Can you see now? Then the low was taken out. So what's next thing? I'm looking for how to enter this trade on 1 hour and bring it downward. I'm looking for what's watching closely for what will happen within the Fibonacci range. So I drew my Fibonacci range. Uh, so I want to see what will happen within 0.5 to 0.618 to 0.75. If I can cite any candlestick pattern there, then I can enter. And even if I don't cite any candlestick pattern, once I'm at 0.618, I can do an aggressive trading. I can place my trade, put my stop loss above my Fibonacci level, and then run it downward, taking my first TP at the low here, at the support, because it happens to be a support. If you check it very well, at the support here, then my TP2 will be at the final support on 4 hours. I hope that is clear with us. So let's proceed again. Let's go to another one, another pair. So this one is done. This one is a juicy one. We are hoping it has already given us the signal double top on 4 hours. So we are hoping to come down here. That's our target. From here, let me draw it for us so that we can see it. Maybe next time I do a video, we can see the result. So can you see now from here to here? That's my analysis on that. For instance, from top here down to this place. But we can take partials at this point. So let's continue. The next one I'm looking forward to trade next week is this one has already been activated. So I just saw it. So by next week on Monday, I'm gonna enter into the trade fully. So what am I trying to say? I looked at this trade. The trade is not actually, I'm not talking about trend here because I'm trading this based on support and resistance. Now look at it now. On 4 hours, I looked at it. This guy, this was support, is trying to take hold. It's trying to take hold, trying to take hold, trying to take hold. Look at it now. And then rejecting is trying to reject it. And then after rejecting, I saw something here. I saw a candlestick pattern. Then I went to 1 hour to see what is happening on this chart actually. Then on 1 hour, I now cited something which is double top. Double top signifies, well, not bottom, sorry, it signifies a trend, change in trend direction. Can you see now? Can you see? Equal highs, equal low, sorry. Then we are going. So I expect the market to base this double, this neckline, and then we'll move on to our what? Our resistance zone before we now decide what we're going to do, whether we're coming down or we are going up. So that's why you notice that I I placed an entry here. I've not placed it on the trade right actually, I just to be able to notice it. So I placed it and I put my stop loss below here because I didn't believe the price should come back here. And that as you can see, the last hour of the week, that was a push, that was a rejection back. So I'm expecting that the market can come back, do whatever it wants to do around there and still go up. This is one ratio 2.5. So this is a good trade setup. So which I'm going to be trading. But in everything, remember to keep your risk management on check. So the next one is AUDCHF. Let's go to it. AUDCHF on 4 hours, you can cite um a downtrend after creating double top equal highs. Can you see now? Then downtrend is actually below what? Below our resistance. So for us to know where to enter, we can set up our Fibonacci because we need a good rate for selling. So as you can see on the Fibonacci has actually entered 0.5 to 0.618. So let's check it on 1 hour. What are we looking for? Okay, at this current time, the market is still like no. I can see market forming a chart pattern. I can see a triangle forming right now. I see a triangle forming right now. So So no problem. From where this is what I'm gonna do at this point. I want to make a trade based on this resistance. So I'm going to wait for market to come here and see what market will do, because market is expecting this resistance on 1 hour seriously. Expecting this resistance at the same time it's going higher, creating higher low, higher low, higher low. You understand? Now? So at the same time, I'm expecting that this guy is going to push this market downward. And then once I see a valid signal, I'm going to place a sell order. So my idea for this market is to do this, is to trade from here. This is what I'm not looking for buy opportunities from here to here. I'm looking for sell opportunities to enter the market from here and to come down here. That's my idea so far about the market. So let's go on Euro UAD. Euro USD is a very good one too. I can see the market already at the support and then respecting the support on 4 hours. Can you see now? I drew my support and resistance on 4 hours. So I've taught you how to do that. If you don't know it yet, go back to my video on how to draw support and resistance. Okay, so let's go forward. On the support and resistance, I can see that the support is taking hold, and to me, it's like the market wants to go and do pull back to this resistance. So what I'm gonna do is, after seeing it on the 4 hours, I can see a candlestick pattern formed. The reason why this market is rejected, I can see it. This is an engulfing pattern on the support zone, and that you can see that the market is trying to respect it. So I know that I can't just enter like that because the market has gone a little bit far from my entry. So what do? I go back to my 1 hour looking for a setup. So I know that our market is coming from here, okay, from here to here. We're going from here to here. So I just need a setup on 1 hour to join the trend. So from the setup on 1 hour, I can see double top, a double bottom here right now. The neckline broken, then upward trend is delivered to us. So what do? I'm waiting for something like this, a pullback. Market is already here. I'm waiting for a pullback like this for the market, and then I'll take it hold to our final destination. So now, if market did not deliver me that, so far the market is able to create. What have I done? Sorry, there's a mistake. I think I deleted the support. Okay, sorry. So I resistance. Sorry. So if the market did not give me that here, and market does something like this, I'll be interested in looking at my chart pattern. Maybe ranging market after breaking on a ranging market, and we want to go inside. Maybe a triangle, maybe a pennant, a rising wedge, a falling wedge, whatever chart pattern I can start there. Or rather, if the market can come and create a pullback for me, create an higher high, come back to create a pullback for me on 1 hour, I can pick an entry and put my stop loss below the previous low. So that's where I'm going to enjoy the trend to the upward direction to where my resistance is on 4 hours. So that's my idea about that. Let's see what the market will do next week so that we can determine how we're going to enter the market. So let's go to GBP USD. Okay, now GBP USD is a sweet one. I cited that the market is going to fall last week, and it actually did. But I was unable to take the market. I was on which market did I took CHF JPY, which I did in my video, and I made the profits on CHF JPY. I forgot to check this market, but I was sensing that the market is gonna go down the moment this one was taken out. So I couldn't. I was expecting to pull back, couldn't change the market. So our final destination for GBP USD is this: is 1.23168 or 1.23140 or thereabouts. Is a range. So the support zone is a range. So the next thing we want to do with that is, we can see that the market has broken a range, a support zone, and is on a downward trend. So the next thing we are expecting is to see a pullback, and from a pullback, look for an entry to go downward again to create a lower low. So that's the idea on GBP USD. So right now, since it has not been activated, I don't think I need to go on 1 hour. And if I go on 1 hour, it's a very juicy trade. Can you see now? It's aligning with the 4 hours. Can you see it's a very juicy trade? So let's hope on that. That's that for our forex market. Let's go to our crypto market. Let's go to our crypto market. So here we have on our crypto market the same idea for crypto market. One thing that I know about crypto market is that crypto market aligns itself with support and resistance a lot. It respects support and resistance a lot. So what do? The same idea. I draw my support and resistance on 4 hours. Now I look for what market will do on 1 hour. So what do? This is BNB. These are the five markets I like to trade. On I would like to trade on what's it called? I would like to trade on the crypto market. So number one, I took this trade from here. I took this trade from here, then I made profit. But I was okay, it is from here. I made profit, but I was not patient to allow it to no, it was from here. So I wasn't patient to allow it to mature. Before I left the trade, I was trading my market very hard, so I got stopped out. So now let's go to the crypto market. I love to trade crypto market with futures. As you can see, I'm using Bybit because I trade on Bybit, I trade on Binance. But currently now I'm using Bybit data, so BNB perpetual contract. You can see it. I trade futures. So now, if you want to learn how to trade futures, you can contact me. What is my idea about BNB? BNB created all-time high, so market is still here, and I can sense some support resistance. As you can see, support zone, resistance zone. As you can see, the support zone around here. You can see it's now the market is approaching a resistance zone that's been rejected before on 4 hours. And look at the 4 hours that's been rejected before, and the market came down, mini support around here, and then the market is moving back. So what I'm expecting the market to do is two things are on my mind. So I'm watching the market closely. Two things on my mind. Number one, market goes there, give me a kind of engulfing pattern, a solid rejection. I opt in that the market wants to come back and clear liquidity around here, come down to this zone. Number two, that's the first one. Number two, the market. I'm watching market. I'm not in a haste to enter the market. I'm watching market. If the market breaks this one, I will allow the market to come back and rest on it and support do a pullback. Then I'll go forward up. You understand? So that's my idea on the crypto market on BNB USDT. Let's go back to Solana. Solana, I saw a beautiful idea on Solana. Yeah, you can see it's just like the same thing with BNB. But most of the time, I think, okay, so this is Solana here. This is Solana. My idea for Solana is I'm expecting Solana to be rejected because it has gotten a long movement up and little pullback, just little consolidation, nothing much. So I'm expecting Solana to be rejected here, and as well as come back to this point. And after coming back to this point, crypto market, I'm expecting to go back up. So that's the way that's the way I felt Solana should do. So I'm watching closely on 4 hours, seeing what Solana do and look for where I can take my trade on 1 hour. Let's go on Litecoin. Litecoin Litecoin is having rejection here. I saw the rejection on 1 hour, but I'm not too okay with the rejection because it doesn't have a solid rejection on 4 hours. I can't see serious candlestick pattern on 4 hours. So what do I do? The next thing I'll do is I'm waiting for this market to come back for because it's a very valid support zone. Then I want to buy Litecoin up here. So that's what I want to do. That's my idea. That's my idea so far. So let's go to their godfather, the BTC. What is BTC saying right now, my people? What is BTC saying right now? So on BTC, we are on 4 hours. You can discover that BTC has been taking out liquidity on support zone, and the guy came back to this resistance. There are two things on BTC that I'm expecting. This is a valid resistance. I'm expecting BTC to be rejected here, and with that, consolidation will happen. I'm expecting BTC to be rejected here. This is support. I'm expecting a rejection on 4 hours. On 4 hours, I'm expecting a rejection on 4 hours. This is my idea, my total idea on BTC. But if by adventure BTC has a move and capacity to break this, BTC is a very, very careful one you need to trade for expect support and resistance because it's very volatile due to the interest of many companies in it. So if BTC breaks this level, I will expect a pullback and trade it to this level. I think this is my next resistance on 4 hours. This is my next resistance on 4 hours. Can you see touch it, bounce up a little. So if you see, then I can even stretch it downward a little bit because can you see now? Touch it here. So this is my next point, which is 102, 103, there about 1,000 for BTC from 99 or 98,000 to 902. So this is my typical idea for BTC. So let's watch out what will happen. BTC. All right. Don't mind me. You can see a small trade there. I'm only scalping right now. I'm scalping on Pepe, and then you can see I'm in small profits. What was this? Sorry, I made a mistake by changing my. Why am I having to? Sorry guys. Why am I having to? I was having to alert. I don't know. Maybe it was a mistake. What is it? It's alright. Let me do this one. I think I put okay. There was an alert I put around there to alert me so that I can take partials of my profits. I think that's what happened. So the market has started moving. I traded this market on 15 minutes, so don't bother me. It's just like a scalping stuff. So let's go to what we actually need to do. Pepe is very juicy right now. The reason why I scalped it on 15 minutes to make more profit. Pepe is very juicy right now. Pepe was like shooting up, boom, boom, boom. You understand now? It was shooting up, bam, and then we got to a resistance, a very valid resistance. And then on 4 hours, Pepe did what? Pepe printed out our 4 hours candlestick. Our 4 hours candlestick. From our 4 hours candlestick, this is a big rejection. So I waited for 1 hour to see a pullback. But on my 1 hour, I wasn't seeing a valid pullback. That's why I jumped in on 15 minutes, risking little of my money, just not to omit just not to omit the signal. So that's what happened now. As you can see, the market has. Let me show you the 15 minutes that I jumped. I opted in. As I saw a resistance taking hold, and I saw a top around there. I just opted in, and then you can see what is happening right now. You can see what the market is doing right now. So another one that I entered is Argo. Argo. I did it on 15 minutes. No, on 1 hour actually. So I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade, hoping that the market will speak well. Hoping that the market. So what did I saw in Argo? Let me show you. On 4 hours, on 4 hours, I did Argo on 1 hour trade. I shouldn't have traded it, but I was just like, okay, let me just reach the two. Okay, so on Argo, I saw that the Argo broke our resistance and became our support. So I'm expecting Argo to rally from here to here. But notwithstanding, as you know, I will always do conservative trading, allowing Argo to come back here and give me a pullback to this point. So what I did was I couldn't wait for that. I went on my 1 hour. I checked my Argo on my 1 hour, and I discovered that it is already giving me higher high on 1 hour and it has not gotten to my resistance zone. So I decided, okay, when the market comes back downward here on Algo, I'm going to buy Algo, and that's what I did exactly. While my stop loss is below here, so I'm expecting that it gives us, and if it doesn't, it's one of those bad trade in trading. So I'm going to accept my lot. So that's the way it is for now. That's the way it is for now. That's the way it is for now. So these are my trades. These are my signals. These are my perspective around market for crypto and then for forex market for next week. So do well to subscribe to our channel as and our page, as we'll be bringing more of ideas. As we are bringing more ideas, we are also teaching you some other strategies that can work with your psychology. Because each strategy has a means of working with your psychology. Someone that is so busy with work can never trade, can never scalp during the working hours, which is the major trading hours. Let's say I'm working in UK, I can't scalp what's called I can't scalp London session because I'll be at work and I'll be busy. You understand now? So it depends on your psychology, what you can accumulate. That it depends on the style of trading you're going to use. So we're going to teach different style of strategy that works and gives you good results. So follow us, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be happy to have you in our community. Thanks so much and have a blessed day.